Hi, it's Relay and Hell wants space successfully. I'm subscribed to Maria AI to unlock easy AI for everyone.
Wow, I did not see this coming today, but OpenAI just dropped Sora 2 for free. After weeks of rumors and speculation, they somehow released it out of nowhere. So the big question everyone's asking now is, can Sora 2 make a strong comeback? The launch kicked off with a surprise live stream, and already the details look pretty impressive. OpenAI was definitely behind Google V3, so the pressure was on. Here's what we know about Sora 2's specs. It can generate 10 seconds of video in one go, slightly more than what V3 can do, an extra 2 seconds. It outputs video at 1080p with native audio, and honestly it sounds really good. So let's check it out, listen to this.
Yo, I'm the captain with the linen and the wind, but the wick don't fail. Yeah, drum in my chest and I set that sail. Gold teeth glimmer like a sunlit reef. Words cut deep like a saber sheath. Swab that deck with the rhythm I record a treasure map tattooed on my neck. Yo.
The video you just saw, I made them using Sora 2 that lets you create videos with sound and insane realism, or even anime and brand ads, all just from writing a prompt. I'll also show you how to use it, as we'll see in this video. So let's jump in. As you can see, Sora opened up here, and it's saying, "Welcome to the new Sora." So I'll click Get Started to begin. The first thing you'll notice here is that the site, or Sora, now feels like a social media platform for creating videos. Each video gets interactions, likes, comments, and it even supports a Reels-style feed, so you can just scroll down to see the next videos. And of course, all the videos come with sound. But before anything else, I'll try making a video by writing something simple in this command box here. And if you notice, there's a feature called Cameo, which lets you add a person inside the video from the people available on the platform. I'm not sure if it only supports adding people from OpenAI, like Sam Altman, or even your own character, like you see here. I don't know yet if you can add other people, but let's try it out. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do here is write a prompt to create the video. So in the prompt box right in front of you, I'm going to put here a prompt for Naruto walking and saying, "Subscribe to Maria AI." Now, in the video settings, you can choose the orientation or dimensions, landscape, horizontal, or portrait, vertical. I'll leave it on landscape for now. You can also add an image by clicking this button, but we'll experiment with that later after we send the first prompt to create the video. As you can see, it says Add to Queue up here, and it goes to your account so you can watch the video being generated. You can even name your account, so I'll just put Maria AI, and look at that. The video has finished rendering and it's now saved as a draft. Let's check it out. I'm waiting to test the French accent.
Bonjour! Abonnez-vous à Maria AI.
Honestly, the result is really good. Right now, this video is just a draft and only available to me. If I hit post, it will be shared with everyone. And of course, I can also download the video by clicking this button. As you can see, alright, so I'm back on my account, and now I'm going to test out this new feature called Cameo. Basically, it lets you tag someone on the platform. So for this one, I'm going to pick Sam Altman. I'll tag him here, then type out my prompt. I kept it super simple this time. I just wrote a prompt where he's sitting on a wooden bench on a mountain terrace. This time I'm making the video in portrait mode, so it's perfect for Reels or Shorts. After I click Create Video, it starts generating right away. You can follow the progress in the draft section. It's really easy. And the cool thing is, the video finishes in less than 2 minutes. Super fast. And now it's done. Let's check it out.
Sora 2 is a huge step forward in AI-generated video. It's fast, realistic, and opens up endless creative possibilities for everyone.
Next, I'm going to try making an animation video. Sora 2 is actually really good at creating high-quality anime, so I'm setting up a calm, Studio Ghibli-style scene. Picture this. People harvesting on a hot, sunny day. Wide fields stretching out under a clear blue sky, the sun shining bright, and the colors looking super natural and vibrant. For this one, I'll set the video to landscape mode, so it feels more cinematic and really brings the scene to life. Then I'll just hit Create Video to get it started. Alright, as you can see, the video's done rendering, and here's how it turned out.
The heat makes the wheat shine even
more today.
Yeah, feels like the whole field is glowing.
We'll fill the wagon before sunset at this rate.
Then we'll have time for cold tea under the tree. Sounds perfect.
Perfect.
Wow, this is really insane. It even added dialogue all by itself. That's so impressive. Honestly, this is super cool. You could even string a few of these together and make a short anime. Super cool, right? Next, I'm going to try making a character speak in Japanese in the video, for example, at one of these iconic landmarks. So I wrote the prompt you see here in front of you, and I set the video orientation to portrait. Now I'll start generating the video and just wait for it to finish.
わあ、この景色本当にすごいね。
写真をたくさん撮りたいぐらいだよ。
はい、初めてです。
すごくワクワクします。
天気もいいし、完璧な日ですね。
本当にね。
はい、
こういう日がずっと続けばいいのに。
わあ、この
Oh my god, this is super impressive. The dialogue flows so smoothly, and just look at their outfits. It really fits the tourism vibe. Honestly, you've got to try Sora too. It's amazing. Alright, so now I'm going to create a professional ad video for a perfume bottle. I've written the prompt you see right here, and this time, instead of using a random example, I'm making it a high-quality commercial. I'll click the plus button here, and upload the image of the perfume bottle. Then, I'll guide Sora 2 to focus on the product, highlighting its details, showing it in a visually stunning way, and making the ad feel polished and realistic, like something that could actually run on TV or social media. The goal is to make it eye-catching, engaging, and professional, not just a simple demo.
Fragrance that lingers like a secret, delicate, irresistible. When she wears it, the world turns. Spell on you. Louis Vuitton.
And look at this. This is insane. I'm in shock. I thought it would be really hard to use the same references in a video, but Sora 2 pulled it off perfectly. Honestly, I love Sora 2. There's also a really cool feature I noticed on the site. For example, if you see a video like this one right here, and you like it, you can actually remix it or make edits to it. All you have to do is come over here to this option, Remix, click on it, and then just type in whatever changes you'd like to make to the video.
Server, if I gonna run a server. How much? I believe that whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you stranger.
And as you just saw, that was the result of the remix. Honestly, it turned out pretty good. It's such a cool feature being able to take an existing video, tweak it, and make it your own. Alright, for the next one, I want to try something a little more fun. I'm going to generate a video of a charismatic pirate rapping. Yeah, you heard that right. A funny pirate performing a rap song in a fast, energetic style. So I'll just type the prompt right here, and let's see if Sora 2 can pull it off. Honestly, if this works, it's going to be hilarious and super entertaining. Let's go ahead and generate it.
Yo, I'm the captain with the linen and the wind, but the wick don't fail. Yeah, drum in my chest and I set that sail. Gold teeth glimmer like a sunlit reef. Words cut deep like a saber sheath. Swab that deck with the rhythm. I record a treasure map tattooed on my neck. Yo.
Oh wow, this is so funny. I love it. It's like a full video clip with a montage. Honestly, it's really blowing my mind. The way everything comes together, the movements, the energy, the visuals, it just looks so polished and entertaining. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Quick heads up, Sora 2 needs an invite code and is currently for US users, but a VPN works too. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun experiments. See you next time.